Wow, sarap! Yummy!
Randy TV.
Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back my vlog, Randy TV. Now, gagawa tayo ng lumpiang giniling. Ayan po. It's ready. Timplado na po. This is ready now. This giniling or minced pork. Okay? It's not a minced pork. Yeah, minced pork. Okay? And also celery leaves. Yan. To mix this. Or ihalo natin dyan para sumarap. At saka meron tayong lumpia wrapper nga maliit. Yes. Okay? Okay guys, what's up? Good day. Welcome back my channel, Randy Vlog. Today we're preparing the lumpia giniling. Yes. Shanghai lumpia like that. So this kind of giniling is it's ready. All the inside the ingredients. So we have onion, sugar, salt, pepper, and also additional celery leaves and the lumpia wrapper. Right? Yes. Small sizes. Okay. Hello guys. So I prepare the celery leaves to mix the minced pork. Okay. So we transfer in one bowl. Yeah. And then mix all together. Hello guys, we start now. This one. Hey guys, it's ready na. So this is the finished product. So you prepare to put inside the box or put in the freezer. Okay. So i-preserve muna natin sa freezer. Okay, it's ready. So we put in the freezer. Okay. Tomorrow be ready.
Randy TV.